Hey guys, I'm Nisa Homey and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm sharing a summer special healthy breakfast smoothie recipe which you can include in your weight loss journey. It's tasty, filling, and the addition of oats along with the chia seeds will help to keep you feel fuller for a longer time. A perfect healthy meal for breakfast. So let's get started with the recipe. First, into a small bowl, add in 1.5 tablespoon chia seeds and add some water. Mix and keep it aside to soak. The best thing about summers are mangoes, and I'm using one whole mango in this smoothie bowl. Into my blender, I'm adding in the sliced mangoes, 5 to 6 cashew nuts for some healthy fats. You can use any nut of your choice, like soaked and peeled almonds instead. The cashew nuts not only give you some healthy fats but also will help to make the smoothie creamy. Add in 1 glass of water, and this is the glass with which I measured the water. Add in 1 tablespoon flax seeds for that extra omega 3s and antioxidants. Now blend this well until everything is nicely mixed and combined. And guys, do note that I have already made separate videos on the health benefits of chia seeds and flax seeds. So do check them out to know why I use them in my recipes. Links will be updated below this video. Pour the blended thick smoothie into a serving bowl. And as you can see, the smoothie is thick and creamy. So level the smoothie with a spoon and then top it with the soaked chia seeds. Chia seeds are rich in omega 3s, and the fiber in chia seed will also help to keep you feel fuller for a longer time. Add in 1 tablespoon cacao nibs. It actually gives a nice flavor and crunch to the smoothie. Top it with 2 to 3 tablespoons of oats granola. I have already shared this granola recipe. It is made with jaggery and oats without oven. Links will be updated below this video, so please do check it out. The oats granola not only gives a nice crunch to the smoothie but also will help to make this smoothie a filling breakfast meal. So guys, do try this healthy smoothie bowl and let me know how this turned out. Don't forget to like, comment and share this video with family and friends. Thank you for watching, and until next time, take care. Bye bye.